APLD stock analysis and APLD stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years. So I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. So especially looking at APLD, it's sort of this demand area where I'm looking for a confirmation. Now, having done myself over this for 5 years and 43,000 videos, you know, I'm going to stick to it because I've seen what's been printing me money and what's not. Especially, you know, because I have my data collected and it's all on my YouTube channel. But APLD specifically, the last 5 predictions, actually last 6, have been 4 wins, 2 break-evens. And all that I want to see is a shift and a double break, and I'm yet even to see the first break taking place. So, kind of seeing that happening just now. But yeah, if I do not see this happening, bro, second break taking place, then I guess this is not going to be something that I'll be buying. And look, I'm totally fine with that. So, I do have a lot of previous receipts with APLD as well. And if you want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free